Snoring? Well, that might be an early warning sign of sleep apnea. If you or your spouse is snoring, don't wait. Talk to a sleep physician or come to our practice and we will evaluate you to see if there is any sleep apnea. A home sleep study can be done in the comfort of your own home where you can be diagnosed and to see if there is any obstructive sleep apnea. And if there is, easy treatments that don't necessarily always involve a mask can be done and it results in better sleep, no more snoring, and more importantly, oxygen coming in that results in proper health. So if you or someone you know could benefit from this information, please share and let them know that here at SmileBody, we can make a difference, not only in their sleep, but many times in their life.